Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are going to look at my Milwaukee Fuel 100% battery operated self-propelled mower. Now, in all of my years of life, I've owned a ton of mowers, and I'll have to tell you, to be totally 100% transparent and honest, I feel like this is probably the best mower I have ever owned. I actually enjoy mowing the grass now. Now let me show you a few of the features on this thing so that you understand what all it can actually do. Some of the things that I think are really cool, it has headlights built in when you're actually operating it. You put the batteries in here. I've got 15 amp hour batteries, and it's going to take two. You cannot run just one battery at a time, but get the highest amp battery you can. Now this looks waterproof, guys, but it is not. Do not leave it outside in the weather. If you wash everything off, be sure it's dried really good before you plug your batteries in. I'll use a little blower and blow everything out. It has handles, so it's easy to actually move, and you can tilt this thing on the end and store it, which is really great because there's no gas in it. You don't have to worry about messing up a carburetor. If I'm going to actually adjust my wheels, it's all done with one lever. And you see, I can go way up in there, or I can go way down low. So it makes it extremely fast and efficient. Now, with the two batteries, the 15 amp hours, I can mow my front yard, and I have a huge backyard. Mow all of that, and I've still only used half of my battery power. Now, when you actually plug them in, I'm going to spin this around so you can see this side. It is going to have lights right here that are going to light up. Just like that. Now, that was actually running. Now, you can see all the lights, by the way, right here. Hopefully, you can see that. Shows me I've got full battery power now. As it operates, this will drop. So on this side, you'll see how to actually control it. You're going to have to pull this in as a safety. Now, if I just push this lever up here, the motor moves. So I can actually make it move without engaging my blade. If I push this button, I now have the blade operating. So this one will turn off lights, I can control blade speed, and this one is going to control the actual self-propelled motion. And I will tell you, I've got it on 3. If you put that thing all the way up to the top, which is going to be 5, I guarantee you, you're going to be running to keep up with this thing. Some of the other things I really like about it, I love the way that it actually looks. It's very sleek looking, almost like a dragster. And if you look at the back, you've got a couple of functions. This will mulch, and I have the mulching plug-in right now. You can actually do a side shoot where you will shoot everything out, and you have the bag, so you can bag. You can do all 3 with this. So one more time, I'm simply going to hold in the safety and go. That is on 3, and that is just the self-propelled. Let's move this up. There's 5. I mean, and it will take off. Now let's go ahead and move it back to 3. And we hit the blade. Now, one of the cool things about this is it will actually ramp the motor up depending on what you are trying to do. So if you're going over a lot of heavy grass, it will automatically ramp itself up and then ramp down when it's not needed. Now, if we turn this on, should be able to see some headlights here. Headlights on, headlights off. If I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd actually give this mower a 15. Like I said, it's the best mower I've ever owned, and I enjoy mowing the grass now. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.